Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can make your Wi-Fi speed faster on your iPhone. Well, it is quite a simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you can do is change your DNS server from your current DNS to your Google DNS, and that can make your Wi-Fi work more faster. So the first thing to do is open your settings on your iPhone. And in here you can tap on the Wi-Fi option, and after tapping on the Wi-Fi option, now tap on the Wi-Fi that you are currently connected on, and in here you can scroll down and you can see the option of low data mode. If this low data mode is turned on, you have to turn off this option in order to make your Wi-Fi work a little bit more faster. Here you can see my low data mode is already turned off. So I'm going to scroll down again, and then here you can see the option of configure DNS. Tap on it. So after tapping on configure DNS, here you can see right now it is on automatic. Tap on manual, and you can see under DNS server there are two DNS. Simply just remove both of it by tapping on the minus option right here. So here you can see the delete option. Tap on it, and then your DNS is now gone, and simply just remove the another one too, just like this. And now in order to add your Google DNS, tap on add server and then start typing 8.8.8. And to add another DNS server, tap on add server again and then start typing 8.8.4.4. And after typing so, now tap on the save option that you can see in the top right corner right here. So after tapping on save, here you can see now your DNS has been changed into your Google DNS, and check whether the internet has speed up or not. So changing the DNS could be one of the process that you can do in order to solve your internet speed. So if that does not work, you can do another thing, that is check whether your phone is on low power mode or not. So in order to check it, what you're going to do is scroll down. And here you can see on the battery, right now my battery is yellow. That is because my phone is on low power mode. And here you can see the option of low power mode here, right here. Simply just tap on it. And you can see now low power mode is turned off and my battery is in the normal white colored. And this could also be the reason that your Wi-Fi was working very slow. So if doing both of this does not work, you might have to reset your network settings, for which you have to go in your settings. And after going to your settings, now tap on the general option and then scroll all the way down until you see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. And in here, you can see the option of reset right here. Tap on it. And here you can see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it. And you have to enter the passcode of your iPhone. And then you can see the option of reset network settings. So tap on it, and then all of your network settings will be reset as default. And this could help your internet to run a little bit faster. So these are the steps that you can take in order to make your iPhone internet run a little bit more faster. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.